your new oil catch can. Here it is, mounted. This one is already installed, but I will walk you through the process. It is extremely easy and only takes a few minutes. So, that being said, you're going to want to find this part. This piece looks like it goes right here. Well, down here, obviously, but that way. It's going to have little gray tabs on it on both sides. That to release, you press in on one side and then you just pull out. And then to install the new ones, it's opposite. You press in and put on. So, that being said, let's get into where and how. So I got the J&L. Just, you could get whatever one. I decided to go with this one just because the reviews and the quality seems to be all there. So, installed it on this bolt here on the reservoir for the coolant. I first put it on the front side of this flap right here, but that seemed to be a little too wobbly. So I then switched it and put the bracket behind and put the bolt or the nut on this side to pinch it all. That seems to be holding really well. Anyways, once you got that installed, you'll have your hoses hanging down. You'll have two hoses hanging off the reservoir tank. One short hose, one long hose. They're noticeably different. If not, it's all right. It's very easy. The passenger side hose, right here, passenger side of the truck, away from the tank, goes down. It goes right there. Very easy. Boom. Now the driver's side, let's follow it, goes right there.